Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. It's me, Teacher Barbie, and I will be doing a placement test with you today. And how are you?
Mm, I'm fine.
Wow, that's
Uh,
good to hear. Okay, so please know that this video is actually recorded. All right, so this time, before we have our placement test, can you hear me and see me clearly?
yes.
Okay, thank you so much. And also, I do not speak Vietnamese. I am a foreigner. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. This time we will have three parts of our placement test for today. We will have the introduction, we will have part one, and we will also have the part two. And I
Mm,
will just give you the instruction on what to do. So this time, let's start.
okay.
So, what's your full name?
My full name is Phạm Nguyễn Đan Thư.
How do you spell your name?
Đây là TSU is my first name.
Again, how do
Uh,
you spell your full name? It means your
um,
first name, your middle name,
the first name.
and family name.
Full name. Full name is BHAM. Uh, LGU EN and DAN and DHU is the full name. Yes,
Okay, thank you so much. So this time, is this how can I call you? Can I call you Thơ?
yes.
That's correct. Okay, so thank you so much. Thơ, how old are
Oh,
you?
oh, I'm fine. I'm so good.
How old
Uh,
are you? Are
how
you
old?
15
Ne-
years old, 20 years
uh,
old, something like that?
I'm 23 year.
23 years old, can you say?
Yes,
Can you repeat after teacher? 23 years old.
23 year.
Okay, thank you. So where are you from?
I'm from Đắk Lắk. I'm was born in Đắk Lắk and now I'm live in Ho Chi Minh City.
And are you still a student or do you work now?
I'm current a student.
What year are you now in university?
Uh, I start university in 20, 20,
Okay. What year are you now? Are you first year, second year, third year in university?
4 year.
Fourth year in university. Okay.
Yes.
So what's the name of your school?
APT University.
Thank you so much. So this time we will now proceed with part one question. Okay, so the first topic is all about the hometown. So, where are you from?
Um, I'm from Vietnam and I was born in Đắk Lắk.
What can people do there?
My fa father and mother is farmers.
Okay, again, what can people do there? Can they do fishing? Can they do um, maybe do a lot of things like walk in the park, something like that? What can people do there?
People do there is the farmers and um, um, farmers. It's,
Farmers, can you
farmers,
say?
farmers, yes.
Can you say people do farming? Can you say people do farming?
People do farming.
Thank you so much. And what do you like most about your hometown?
Mm, yes. Can you speak again?
Okay. What do you like most about your hometown? Anything you
Um,
like about your hometown?
I think I like my hometown is that is so peaceful and no crowd is
Not crowded. Can you say?
not
Not crowded.
not crowded.
Thank you. And what is it famous for?
Mm, is the famous is a cafe or elephant?
Oh, elephant, I see.
Yes.
Okay. So, is it easy to travel around your hometown?
Mm, maybe it's 1 month or 2 months. I think so.
Okay, one more time. Is it easy to travel in your hometown? Like, can you just ride a motorbike, or maybe you can just ride a car just to reach your hometown?
Um, it's easy to go there if by motorbike or cycle. I think so.
Motorbike or bicycle, can you say?
Yes. Motorbike or by cycle,
Bicycle.
bicycle.
Very good. So, is there anything you dislike about it? Anything you
No,
don't like?
I think no.
Would you like to live elsewhere?
Yes, I like this idea.
I mean, would you like to live elsewhere? Do you want to live in another city like Hanoi, Da Nang, or Hoi An, any places?
Um, I like I think I like is hometown just Đắk Lắk and don't.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we will proceed to the second topic, which is about free time. Now, what do you usually like doing in your free time?
In the first time, I listen to music, rest or the guest going out with friends.
Okay, can you say, I listen to music? Music. Can you say?
Lis- Listen to music.
Thank you. And what activities you often spend your free time on?
Mm,
Do you like cooking? Do you like um doing yoga, or what activities do you like doing?
I think I like cooking and watch the short video. Short video.
Do you mean horror movies or horror films?
Movie.
Movie or
Yes.
films, okay. And how do you often relax during the weekends?
Um, one or two. I think relax. One or two day. 1 or 2 day. 1 week.
Is it once a week?
Yes.
Can you say, I often relax once a week?
Once quick.
Okay, but the question is about how do you often relax during the weekends? Okay, maybe let's pass. So, is there any hobby or activity you wish you had more time for?
Mm, I wish I can go to visit my family.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, yes.
Okay. And so you would like to visit your family, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's proceed to the third topic, which is about stay up late. Now, do you go to sleep early or you stay up late?
Up late. Um,
Can you say, I usually stay up late.
I'm usually gets up late.
I usually, I usually
I usually
stay up late.
stay up late.
Thank you. And what were you doing when you stayed up last night? What were you doing when you stayed up late last night?
Mm, I just uh watching the movie or eat dinner. Yes.
I watched a movie and I ate dinner. Can you say?
I watching the movie and eat dinner.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we will proceed with the fourth topic, which is about the internet. Okay, so when did you start using the internet?
Um, maybe I start internet. Maybe I start internet. When I year old.
I started using the internet when I was 8 years old. Can you say?
I what
I started
I started using internet. Um,
the
when
internet
the internet
when I was
when
8 years old.
whenever I feel
8 years old.
8 years old.
Thank you so much. So, how often do you go online?
Um, uh, I usually I usually uh like search information on about cooking, and sometimes I play with friend, play game with friend.
Okay. So, again, the question is how often do you go online? How often? How many times do you go online?
Mm, I think uh I you 10 hour 10
10
hour
hours, 10 hours per week,
for playing because
10 hours in playing games
yes.
per week. Is that per week?
Mm,
Okay, let's pass. Now, how does the internet influence people?
how
How does the internet influence people? Okay,
mm,
pass. Do you think you spend too much time online?
yes. I think so many times for online before.
Okay, you can say, I think
I
I've
think
spent
I spend
so much time
so much time I-
online.
online.
What would you do without the internet? Without the internet. What would you do without the internet if there's
Mm,
no internet?
oh, maybe I just sleep and go out with my friend.
All right. Thank you so much. That's the end of part one. Now we will proceed to part number two. Okay. So this time I'm going to share my screen. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Oh yes.
Thank you so much. So this time This is about a famous person. Okay. By the way, in part number two, I will give you 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to respond. Okay. So now I will read first the part number two. Part two, famous person. Describe a famous person you'd like to meet. Who this person is, where you'd like to meet this person, how you know this person, and why you'd like to meet this person. You will be given 1 minute to have your preparation. Your timer starts now.
Um, I want to like to meet with some empty TV.
Not yet.
Eh,
You still have 1 minute. Do you want to respond now?
Um, no, I don't know.
Okay, again.
Just one.
Okay. You still have 24 seconds. Go on. Preparation. Time is up. Now, you will be given 2 minutes to give your answer. Your timer starts now.
Mm, my the person's famous I would like to miss is some MTV and they uh, her um he is a musical play a musical and where I want to meet him in the Sky Tour and when I know some MTV when I I listen to music of him. Oh, mm, um, why uh, I I want like to meet him because uh, this he is idol for me. Yes, that in yes the end.
Okay, thank you so much. Your time is up. Thank you so much. All right, so that's the end of our placement test for today. Okay, so I'll
Yes.
just give you a feedback on what would be the result of your placement test.